I thoroughly recommend the course. I've really enjoyed it. It's really interesting to see space being framed in a context that's really relevant to what we teach in the classroom.
The first session that we did was by a scientist that's working at Cambridge, so you get to see what people are actually researching, so you can bring in cutting edge information.
And then the second part we just had where we're doing more teacher-based workshops, just getting ideas for things to use in the classroom. That's been really useful.
They've tested them, they know what works, what doesn't work, so they've been able to give us ideas that are actually linked to the curriculum.
It's really important to have something that's both relevant to the curriculum but also relevant to this point in time. So it's been interesting to find out a little bit more about some of the current missions that are taking place.
Getting hold of a specialist speaker is very difficult, so coming up here to see one and see what's going on international science is really good.
Hearing the real research and the real people doing it and their enthusiasm is obviously something you pick up and can bring back home.
I hope they can benefit by helping them to understand how space can be used as a tool in their working environment. By linking to space, that's a means of exciting people, exciting students about the possibilities of science, the possibilities of technology and engineering, mathematics. And the second thing about space, of course, is it's an environment which challenges us enormously. It's hard to get to space, it's hard to get to the moon, to Mars and beyond. And in order to do that, we need cutting edge science and we need research, and it's an environment that provides us with that challenge to produce new science and new technologies.
Lots of ideas I've got. From the first lecture, some ideas about how to broaden the curriculum and just resources which are available online, and then this afternoon's session where ideas, practical ideas, little things you can use in the classroom.
It's inspiring, it reminds you why you love doing this, and it just gives you those ideas that you get back to the classroom and you want to experiment on your students.
To be here and meet people is advantageous simply from the fact that you've got something new and interesting to kind of make that classroom a bit more fun.